I bought this car in Oklahoma City. Really nice guy in Oklahoma City. It was in a museum that never was completely restored. We bought it, brought it home, and then got to history and found out it. It was ran out of Columbus, but down in Burlington, Iowa. Anderson Engineering guys had it, built it. So we restored it completely, new engines in it, new rear end's been completely gone through and completely restored it. Every bit of this paint on this car is 24 karat gold lettering on it, and there's not one decal on it.
Cool.
It's all original.
Nice.